This is Dr. Mamata Kher, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Tiptur. Today I am going to explain about problems on material variance. This is the problem. The standard cost shows the following details relating to the material needed to produce 1 kg of ground oil. Quantity of ground nut required 3000 kgs. Price of ground nut rupees 2.50 per kg. Actual production data. Production during the week 1000 kgs. Quantity used 3500 kgs. Price of ground nut per kg rupees 3. Calculate material cost variance, material price variance and material usage variance. So this is the problem. Here the standard cost shows the following detail relating to the material needed to produce 1 kg of ground nut. So here the standard cost for the production of the 1 kg of ground oil. So this all information, this both information are related to the standard cost. So here the quantity of ground nut required 3000 kgs. So this 3000 kgs are called as standard quantity. The price of ground nut rupees 2.50 per kg. So it is the standard price. 3000 kgs are the standard quantity and rupees 2.50 are the standard price. And then the actual production data. So that is production during the week 1000 kgs. So for this production of this 1000 kgs, it takes quantity used 3500 kgs. So for the actual productions, this quantity are called as the actual quantity, that is 3500 kgs. And then price of ground nut per kg rupees 3. So it is called as the actual price. So in this problem, this 3000 kgs are the standard quantity and rupees 2.50 are the standard price and the actual quantities are 3500 kgs and the actual price are rupees 3. So using this all information, you calculate material cost variance, material price variance and material usage variance. Let's see how to solve this problem. This is the solution. So first, the calculation of material cost variance. The formula for the calculation of this material cost variance are standard cost minus actual cost. Here the standard cost means that is the standard quantity into standard price minus actual cost means actual quantity into actual price. Standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. So now the standard quantities are, that is the 3000 kgs and the standard price are 2.50. Actual quantity, that is the 3500 kgs into actual price rupees 3. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು 3000 into rupees 2.50 minus 3500 kgs into rupees 3. So now, 3000 into 2.50 or 7500, and 3500 into rupees 3, that is the 10,500. So now the material cost variance are minus 3000. Here the actual cost are more than the standard cost, then it will called as adverse. If the standard cost are more than the actual cost, then it will called as favorable. So here it shows the negative figure, that is the minus 3000. So it is called as adverse. So that is the material cost variance. And the next one, that is the calculation of material price variance. The material price variance, here we are using the formula for calculation of material price variance as, that is, the material price variance is equal to standard price minus actual price into actual quantity. Here the standard price are the rupees 2.50, actual price are rupees 3, and actual quantity are 3500. So using this information, now we calculate the material price variance. So SP means standard price minus AP means actual price into actual quantity, that is the AQ. 2.50 minus rupees 3 into 3500. 2.50 minus 3, that is minus 0.50. It is multiplied with the 3500. So now the material price variance are minus 1750 rupees. So it is also in negative figure because here the actual price is more than the standard price. So it is called as the adverse, minus 1750 rupees. So this is the calculation of material price variance. And the next one, that is calculation of material usage variance. So for the calculation of material usage variance, we are using the formula as, that is the standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. So this is the formula are used for calculation of the material usage variance. So here the SQ means the standard quantity, AQ means actual quantity, into SP means the standard price. Here the standard quantity are 3000 kgs and the actual quantity are 3500 kgs into standard price. So that is the rupees 2.50 per kg. 3000 kgs minus 3500 kgs into rupees 2.50. So now the minus 500 kgs into 2.50. So here also the actual quantities are more than the standard quantity. So that's why it is called as the adverse. Rupees 1250 adverse. So this is the calculation of material usage variance. So in this way we solve this problem. Let's see the another one. That is the problem 2. So this is the problem. The standard material cost to prepare a ton of chemical X is 200 kgs of material A at rupees 10 per kg, 300 kgs of material B at rupees 5 per kg, 400 kgs of material C at rupees 7 per kg. During a year, 100 tons of material X were produced from the usage of 30 tons of material A at a cost of rupees 9 per ton. 40 tons of material B at a cost of rupees 6 per ton. 50 tons of material C at a cost of rupees 7 per ton. Calculate material cost variance, material price variance, and material usage variance. So this is the problem. Here the standard material cost to prepare a ton of chemical X is, that is the 200 kg, 300 kg and 400 kg is for the material A, B and C. So this information, so these three informations are related to the standard materials. And then during a year, 100 tons of material X were produced from the usage of 30 tons of material A, 40 tons of material B, the 50 tons of material C. So these all are related to the actual. Okay. So in the standard material, here the 200 they mentioned as 200 kgs. For the calculation of standard quantity, this 200 kgs, 300 kgs and 400 kgs are multiplied with the 100 kgs for a ton. So during the actual materials, the actual production, here they mentioned as tons. So that is the 30 tons, 40 tons and 50 tons. So this all 30, 40 and 50 tons are multiplied with the 1000 to become a 100 tons. Okay. So here we calculate the material cost variance, material price variance and material usage variance. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 200 kgs ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಈ 200 kgs ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು 100 ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಅಂಥ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಟನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಟನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ 30, 40, 50 ಏನು ಟನ್ಸನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು 1000 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ kgs and here they prepared a ton. Okay, so that's why it is multiplied with the 100. And here there is an 30 tons, here they have produced the 100 tons, so it is multiplied with the 1000 kgs. Okay, so let's see how to solve this problem. So first we calculate the standard quantity and actual quantity. Materials, standard quantity, standard rate and standard amount. Actual quantity, actual rate and actual amount. So here there is three types of material, that is A, B and C. So first we take the material A. Here the standard quantity are 20,000. So this 20,000 is calculated as 200 kgs into 100. So the standard quantity are 20,000. So next the standard price, they are already given in the problem, rupees 10. Then so here the 20,000 into 10, the standard quantity into standard rate is equal to ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರೇಟ್, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ 20,000 ಇಂಟು 10. ಸೊ ನಾವು ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ rupees 2 lakh. So and then for the actual quantity, here it is 30 tons. So this 30 are multiplied with the 1000 kgs. Now the 30,000 kgs are the actual quantity for the material A. So actual rate for the material A rupees 9. So now the actual cost or the actual amount, that is 30,000 into 9, that is 2,70,000 rupees. So in this way we calculate the standard quantity and standard amount. So similarly we are calculating to the material B. So now the standard quantity that is 300 into 100 kgs. So now the standard quantity are 30,000 kgs. The standard rate, that is the 5 per kg. Here the standard cost, that is calculated as 30,000 into 5. So now the standard cost are 1,50,000 rupees. And the next, that is the actual quantity. So this 40 tons are multiplied with the 1000 kgs. So now 40 into 1000, 40,000 kgs was the actual rate, that is the rupees 6 per ton. Rupees 6. So now the actual cost are 40,000 into 6. 2,40,000 rupees. And next for the material C. So here the standard quantity, that is 400 into 100, that is the 40,000 kgs. The standard rate rupees 7 per kg. So now the standard amount or the standard cost are 40,000 into 7. So that is 2,80,000 rupees. And next for the actual quantity of the material C, that is the 50 tons, means the 50 into 1000 kgs. So now that is the 50,000 kgs. The actual price for the material C, rupees 7. Now the actual cost for the material C, 3,50,000. So 50,000 into 7, 3,50,000 rupees. So now we take the total of standard quantity. So that is the 90,000 kgs, and the total standard cost, that is 6,30,000. Then the total actual quantity 1,20,000 kgs, and total actual cost, that is 8,60,000 rupees. And the next we calculate, that is the material cost variance. For the calculation of this material cost variance, we are using the formula as standard cost minus actual cost. Here we are already find out the standard cost and actual cost of the three materials like A, B and C. So now the total standard cost rupees 6,30,000 and the total actual cost amount 8,60,000. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ 6,30,000 minus 8,60,000. So here the actual costs are more than the standard cost. So that's why it is called as the adverse. So minus 2,30,000 adverse. So this is the calculation of material cost variance. And the next one, that is the calculation of material price variance. For the calculation of this material price variance, we are using the formula as actual quantity into standard rate minus actual rate. So it is calculated in individually. For the material A, here the actual quantities are 30,000. That is 30 into 1,000, 30,000. Standard rate or the standard rate amount, that is the rupees 10, and the actual rate are rupees 9. So 3,000 into 10 minus 9 means 1. So 30,000 into 1. So the material price variance for the material A are 30,000 rupees. So it is called as the favorable. And next for the material B, Here the actual quantities are the 40 into 1000 means the 40,000 kgs, and the standard rate are rupees 5 and actual price are rupees 6. So now the B is equal to 40,000 into standard rate are 5 minus actual rate are 6. So here the actual rate are more than the standard rate. So that's why it will become the adverse. So now the 40,000 into 5 minus 6, that is the minus 1. So 40,000 into minus 1, that is the minus 40,000. So it is called as the adverse. And then for the material price variance for the material C, so here the actual quantities are 50 tons means the 50 into 1000, 50,000 kgs into the standard rate are rupees 7 and the actual rate are rupees 7. So here the 50,000 into 7 minus 7, there is a 0. So the material price variance of the material C are nil. Okay. And the next, we calculate the total material price variance. Here the 30,000 favorable and the 40,000 adverse. So here from the favorable amount we are deducted the adverse amount, means the 30,000 minus 40,000. Here the 40,000 are more than the 30,000 rupees, means the adverse are more than the amount of the favorable. So here rupees 10,000 are adverse. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 40,000 ಫೇವರಬಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಸು ಫೇವರಬಲ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಡ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ rupees 10,000 ಆರ್ adverse. And the next one, that is the calculation of material usage variance. Material usage variance, so it is calculated by using the formula as the standard rate into standard quantity minus actual quantity. So this is the formula for the calculation of material usage variance. Here first we are calculate for the material A. For the material A, the standard price are rupees 10 and the standard quantity, that is 200 into 100 kg, that is the 20,000 kgs, and the actual quantity are 30 tons, means the 30 into 1000 kgs. So 10 into 20,000 minus 30,000. So 10 into minus 10,000. So 10 into minus 10,000 is equal to rupees 1 lakh, that is the adverse, because here the actual quantities are more than the standard quantity. So it shows the negative figure, that is the minus 1 lakh. So that's why it is called as the adverse. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬರೋಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಡ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. If the standard quantity is more than the actual quantity, then it will become the favorable. Okay. And the next, for the material B. So here the standard rate of the material B are rupees 5 and the standard quantity of the material B are, that is 300 into 100, means the 30,000 kgs minus actual quantity, that is 40 into 1000 kgs. It means 40,000 kgs. So now the 5 into 30,000 minus 40,000. So 30,000 minus 40,000, there is a minus 10,000. So 5 into minus 10,000. So it is the minus 50,000. So it called as the adverse. Rupees 50,000 adverse. And the next, for the material C. For the material C, here the standard rate are rupees 7. The standard quantity means, that is the 400 into 100 kgs 40,000 kgs and the actual quantity, that is 50 into 1000 kgs, means the 50,000 kgs. So 7 into 40,000 minus 50,000. So 40,000 minus 50,000 are minus 10,000. This minus 10,000 are multiplied with the rupees 7. So now the material usage variance for the material C are rupees 70,000 adverse. So now we take the total material usage variance, that is rupees 2,20,000 adverse. Okay. So here first we take the total of all item, because these all are adverse. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಡ್ವರ್ಸೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. rupees 2,20,000 are the adverse.